Hey guys, it's Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we are putting the Nautilus CC Plus head-to-head with the Dolphin Premier to see which one is a better pool robot. When looking for a new robotic pool cleaner, you will often see these two pitted head-to-head because of the similar size, features, and intended use. But there are a few key differences between the two. Today, we will be looking at their cleaning ability and ease of use to determine our winner. First, let's dive into cleaning ability. This is the most important part when evaluating a pool robot. Right off the bat, both robots can clean the floors and walls of your pool, but only the Premier can clean the water line, which is also called the scum line. This is the most important part of the pool for a robotic pool cleaner to clean because it is the part most prone to grime, dirt, and algae buildup. If the bot doesn't reach this part of the pool, it defeats the purpose of owning an automated pool cleaner because you still have to pull out the pool brush and pick up after it. This gives the Dolphin Premier a huge edge over the Nautilus CC Plus for us. And this lead only gets stronger when we look at the filtration options. The Nautilus CC Plus comes with one filter option, which will do an okay job with some debris. But the Premier comes with multimedia filtration. This means that the Premier has 4 different filter media options, so you can customize a cleaning based on what your pool needs. If you need to pick up leaves, use the oversized leaf bag or disposable leaf bag. If you need to do an average clean, use the fine filter cartridge. And if you need to get fine dust and other microparticles, use the ultra fine cartridge. With the Nautilus CC Plus only coming with one standard filter, it can't pick up large amount of leaves and twigs like the Premier. And without the ultra fine filter options, like you'll find on higher end models like the Dolphin Premier and Dolphin Sigma, the Nautilus CC Plus misses small particles like dust, sand, and pollen. Now let's talk about ease of use, which includes their setup, power supply functionality, and maintenance. Out of the box, both units come in at around 22 pounds and both of their setups are similar. Just plug the power supply into an outdoor outlet, then plug the unit into the power supply. Drop the unit into the water, press start, and you are ready to go. Both robotic pool cleaners have a weekly timer that is easy to set, with options for daily, every other day, and every 3-day cycles. If you look at the Premier's power supply, you'll notice an extra LED light to the left of these options. This light is a full filter bag indicator that does exactly as it says. It lets you know when the filter bag is full and needs to be cleaned, as well as when it is partially blocked and needs to be cleared out. This extra feature goes a long way to improve user experience by taking out the guesswork of when to empty. This feature is completely missing on the Nautilus CC Plus. So by having this indicator, the Premier's lead gets even larger. In terms of maintenance, you'll see similarities between both models at first. Both robots come with an anti-tangle swivel to minimize cord tangling. And both have dual filters that are easy to remove and clean. But the Premier furthers its lead through its 3-year warranty. While the Nautilus CC has a 30-month warranty, the Premier is covered for a full 36 months. The 6-month additional period doesn't seem like a lot at first, but if you end up paying for a new motor or power supply, you could be looking at around $300 out of pocket just for parts, plus the labor to repair it. While the Nautilus CC Plus and Premier may appear similar on the surface, a closer look reveals that the Premier is a superior robotic pool cleaner. First, you'll get better performance with 100% cleaning coverage, including waterline capability. Second, it's easier to maintain. Third, it offers more customizable filtration options with its multimedia filtration. Fourth, the warranty is 20% longer. So there you have it. In the end, it's really an easy decision. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about the Premier and dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website and YouTube to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.